Pai te tūtaki ki a koe, nice to meet you. Those doughboys look amazing.
They do, don't they?
I'm like, my mouth's watering. So what's the best way that our whānau can help protect tāngata whaikaha?
First step, mask. You have responsibility not to get into people's faces. The other is, don't forget to sanitise. You know, all of the usual that we had, there's no difference to that.
Well, you got like a range.
Have you got something I'm missing?
No, like the texture of this one's different. This is how I like them, like doughy. Would they be called doughboys? So the second booster is now available for those whānau that are most at risk. What are your whakaaro on that?
Take some responsibility to help protect your family members. Getting it doesn't make it any worse.
Yeah.
You can either play with fire or do the responsible thing and look after yourself.
So what are some of the ways that tāngata whaikaha can keep themselves safe?
There is an 0800 number for all your information that you need. Prepare yourself, because I can tell you now, for wheelchair users, make sure you've got a way of getting to the hospital because the ambulance can't take you.
Thank you so much. I've enjoyed it very much, and it's just actually so cool listening to your stories.
Next time you're in Tamaki Makaurau, I'll show you my favourite movie. I am a huge zombie fan.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.